Everybody, welcome to my new update video of class Pathshala. Today I will solve a interesting math. Here is given that a square minus b square equal to 4 and ab equal to 2. We have to find out a plus b equal to what. It is a very challenging and interesting math. So go start here. It is equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. We know that minus b all square is equal to a minus b all square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, here we can use we get from equation number 1 is a square minus b square is equal to 4. Squaring the both sides, we get a square minus b square all square is equal to 4 square. Okay, here we use this formula. Let's go. Let that a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 2a square into b square is equal to 16. Then we can write here a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 2ab all square is equal to 16. Then we putting the value of ab is equal to 2 from equation number 2. Okay, let's a to the power 4 and b to the power 4 minus 2 into 2 square is equal to 16. Next we can write a to the power 4 b to the power 4 minus 8 is equal to 16. We transform minus 8 from left side to right side. We can write a to the power 4 b to the power 4 is equal to 16 plus 8. So here we can write a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 equal to 24. This equation number 3. We know that x plus y all square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay, here we putting x is equal to a square and y is equal to b square. Then we can write from this a square plus b square all square is equal to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2a square and b square. Okay, then we putting the value a square plus b square all square is equal to a to the power 4, or we putting the value a to the power 4 and b to the power 4. Here we get from equation number 3 is equal to 24 plus 2 into ab all square. Okay, then a square plus b square all square is equal to 24 plus 2 into 2 square. Okay, a square plus b square whole square is equal to 24 plus 8 and a square plus b square all square is equal to 32. All square root is equal to plus minus root 32. Okay, here square and root cancel and a square plus b square is equal to plus minus root over 16 into 2. Okay, a square plus b square is equal to plus minus 4 root 2. A plus b all square minus 2ab is equal to plus minus 4 root 2. Okay, and putting ab is equal to 2. Okay, and a plus b all square minus 2 into 2 is equal to plus minus 4 root 2. Then we can write a plus b all square minus 4 is equal to plus minus 4 root 2. We can write a plus b all square is equal to 4 plus minus 4 root 2. Okay, here is a plus b all square is greater than equal to 0 and we can write here, from this here we can write a plus b all square is equal to 4 plus 4 root 2 or a plus b all square is equal to 4 minus 4 root 2. Here a plus b all square greater than equal to 0 and right side is greater than 0, but here this greater than is equal to 0 but it is less than 0, so it is not acceptable or rejected. Then we can write a plus b all square is equal to 4 plus 4 root 2. Okay, here we can write a plus b all square is equal to 4 is common, 1 plus root 2 and root the both side. We can write here a plus b is equal to a square and root cancel, and 2 plus minus 2 1 plus root 2. Okay, it is the final value of this. Okay, everybody, if you benefited by this video, please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. If you have any other problem, please comment and send me the equation, please. Okay, thank you.